Welcome! If you're looking to change the language on your Roblox app, you've come to the right place. Whether you're more comfortable with another language or just want to explore Roblox in a different way, it's super easy to update your language settings. Let's walk through the steps. Step 1. Start by launching the Roblox app on your Android device. Make sure you're logged into your account before we begin. Step 2. Once the app is open, head to the bottom right corner of the screen where you'll find the 3 dots or the menu icon. Tap on it to open the menu options. Step 3. From the menu, select Settings. This will open up your account settings, where you can make changes to things like privacy, account info, and language. Step 4. Now, tap on Account Info. This is where you'll find all your personal settings, including the language option. Step 5. You'll see a section labeled Language. Tap on it, and a list of available languages will pop up. Choose the language you prefer, and Roblox will update immediately. And that's it. You've successfully changed the language on Roblox. Now you can enjoy the app in your preferred language, making the experience more comfortable and enjoyable. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe for more Roblox tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.